Understanding, merge left, right, in traffic. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase used in driving: merge left, right. This phrase is vital for safe driving and understanding road signs. So, let's get started and master this essential part of English vocabulary together. Merging refers to the action of joining a line of moving traffic from a different lane or road. It's a critical skill in driving, requiring awareness and coordination. Imagine you're driving on a road and need to join the main flow of traffic. That's merging. It's like joining a moving queue smoothly and safely. When you see a sign or hear someone say, "Merge left," it means you need to move into the lane to your left. This usually happens when your current lane is ending or if there's an obstruction ahead. It's important to check for traffic in the left lane, signal your intention, and then join the lane safely. Similarly, merge right instructs drivers to move into the right lane. This might be due to roadworks, lane closures, or the end of the current lane. Remember, safety first. Always check your mirrors, signal, and smoothly enter the right lane without disrupting the flow of traffic. Merging can be challenging, especially in busy traffic. Here are some tips. 1. Use your indicators. Signal your intentions to other drivers. 2. Check your mirrors and blind spot. Ensure the lane you're merging into is clear. 3. Match the speed of traffic. Merging is easier when your speed is similar to the traffic you're joining. 4. Be patient and stay calm. Wait for a safe opportunity, don't rush. That's all for merge left, right in English. Remember, understanding and correctly using these phrases can make driving safer for you and others. We hope this video clarifies these common driving instructions. Drive safely and keep learning. See you in the next video.